Hi there, welcome to my channel. I'm Rhonda. Look what I've got. Got my scissors ready. Come on in and let's open this together. Hi there, welcome to my channel. I'm Rhonda, and yes, I have an order from Hobbii, and I have a lot of yarn in my room. Why would I need to order more? Well, I have had a request for a sweater, and as you may know, that you could have tons of yarn but not enough of one color in the right weight of yarn to make that one pattern that you've been asked to make. So I made an order at Hobbii because I looked for a substitute, and Hobbii was the best one for the best value that I could find of this particular yarn that I need in the color that I want. And well, I saw some sales, so I just bought a few other little things that I want to show you. So my scissors is ready, and I'm ready to make that first cut. I'm pretty excited about it. I haven't ordered from Hobbii in a long time, and this is not my usual yarn that I would order from Hobbii. If you saw one of my last videos, you will see that I like buying their self-striping or their ombre yarns, their gradient yarns, but these aren't that type of yarn. So let's dive in and see how it looks. I'm going to make some of that plasticky noise that people often apologize for. I kind of like the sound. It means I'm opening something. And I love packages of yarn. And what's interesting is usually they deliver to my door, and I got the email that it's been delivered, and I opened my door and nothing was there, so I freaked out because we're having some weird things going on in the neighborhood, like car thefts and stuff. But I thought, who would want yarn, right? But hey, anything to make a buck. So I was worried, but then I thought I'm going to go to the mailbox, and they stuffed this into the parcel compartment. I don't know how they did it, but they did it. Well, I just cut some yarn. How the heck did I do that? Yep, I cut some yarn. They pack it so full that I cut some yarn. This is not going to be good. Good thing I bought extra. Anyways, it's pretty, but I'm not happy that I just cut this yarn. This is Easy Care Classic Merino Wool. Oh, how did I do that? It'll be interesting to see. I'm going to unwrap it and see the damage. Okay, I don't think it's so bad. But there are pieces that definitely are going to be ruined. Okay, so the damage doesn't look like it's that bad. I have these loose pieces, so it's not so terrible. So this is going to be the yarn that I use for the sweater. Look at that pretty color. This is color 293. Typically I find a lot of the Hobbii yarns, they don't have color names. This one is a beautiful teal shade. Love it. I think it's going to make a gorgeous sweater. This yarn is made in Italy, manufactured for Mayflower, and it's Okotex. Okotex. I'm not sure how to pronounce it, but it's been approved, so it's a good yarn. And also, it is 100% virgin wool. So I guess that's the same as merino wool because it says virgin wool. And this one is, it looks like it's machine washable, but I'm not sure. See the symbols there? It doesn't have a hand, so I think it's I think it's machine washable. So that's nice, but it's 100% wool. I don't know that I would want to put it in the washing machine. Anyways, I got more than enough of those to make a sweater, which is good considering I just cut one. So I got, I think, 14 of these little babies. Oh, I like how they package this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So there's 10 in here. And 2 here. And another one. Yes. I did purchase 14 of these. And that should be plenty to make the sweater that I want to make. So this should be interesting. I would hate to run out, but I actually bought more than what I needed. Quite a bit more on purpose. So I really like this. This is considered a 3-weight, which I think it's true to its claim. I'm going to show you. And as far as merino wool goes, I think it's very comfortable. I would definitely wear this for sure. I think it feels cozy. And I actually really love the color. And also this was in bulk, so I believe I spent $4 and change American. I probably have the bill in here somewhere, so I can give you a better idea what I paid. Does not have the prices on here. Well, I don't have the prices on me, but what I'm going to do is I will see if I can get them and give you that information. But for now, I'm going to show you the yarn that I got. So this was the main purpose of this order. And then I saw some sales and I thought I'm going to try other yarns. So I bought this Starlight Soft and I really thought there was going to be sparkles in it. And I don't see any. I'm not sure what this does. It has little wires wrapped around it. It's called Starlight Soft. Oh, I see. It's reflective polyester. So I'm guessing in the dark that it might reflect the light. Really pretty color. 86% premium acrylic. 14% reflective polyester. I really want to test this out, but I can't test it here because it's daylight. But it would be interesting to see. This one is considered a 4 medium, made in Denmark, designed in Denmark, made in Turkey. And the hook size, the recommended hook size is 5.5 to 6 millimeter, an I or a J hook. And it is also machine washable, and this color is 15. You can see it making a really pretty scarf or a nice hat. I didn't buy that many just because I didn't want to buy too many things of yarn. I bought 4 of those and I do like them. And I also bought them in this nice blue color. Very pretty. And I bought 4 of those. Same yarn, different color. And these were on a good sale, so that's why I picked them up. And then I bought them in this white color. And, you know, they could be used together. But I'm thinking being reflective, probably a scarf or a hat would be pretty practical. I'm just not sure how this reflective thing works because it just looks like a dark line. If you can see that in there. Oh, it's catching the light here. I wonder if that's part of the reflective quality of it because I have a feeling the other yarn isn't going to do that. And yet, look at that. Weird effect. Huh. Maybe it will do something. Did you see that? It's like it catches the light. and almost like it glows. Okay, so the 3 colors of those, and I got this as well, and I really like this. This is Black Friday acrylic, and 5 of them. It was a good price. I think it was like $15 American for 5, which is really good. And I really like the color, 100% acrylic. Also, I don't know if I'm pronouncing it right, Okotex approved. And again, a color number 09. And I must have been on an aqua kick because everything is sort of similar in color here, isn't it? I don't know. It's just the color that caught my eye. I think this was also the one that was available. I honestly think that I didn't have a choice. This was the color, and I'm not complaining because I think it's beautiful. It's a nice shade. Now I got one other item that I put in my cart from before and actually didn't mean to buy it because it was quite expensive. It's $9 and change American. And the reason I bought it is because I saw something similar on Saks Fifth Avenue. There is a designer that I've talked about before, Brunello Cucinelli, who puts out garments, crocheted garments, that are extremely expensive. Like you could get upwards of $5,000 American for it, or $5,000 Canadian for a sweater. I've seen them like 1,000, 2,000, and once I saw 5,000. I don't know if I'd ever spend that for a sweater, no matter how much money I had. But anyways, what I found this winter, this past season, is that a lot of his sweaters have sparkles in them. They have sequins. So I thought, you know, I've got some yarn. I'm going to put some sequins in it. And then I thought, well, maybe not. But it was in my cart and I got it. And it's pretty. And I do have some pink yarn. So here it is. $9 for this, but it is thread and it's meant to be paired with other yarn, and I'll give you an example. So I have 2 different yarns that are pink and that I thought about making sweaters with. One is this Patton's Alpaca Blend that I got, and if you didn't see my video where I got this yarn on sale from Lens Mill, I'll link you to it. You should watch it. I got a really good price on this. So pretty, and look how perfect that is. So I could add sparkle to a sweater in this color. How pretty will that be? I also have this yarn which has pink in it, and that might go, but I actually think because of the solid color, I think it would look better in this one. So I might get busy on a sweater like that, and I think I might keep it for myself because that will be so pretty. So that's it. I just wanted to share with you. Like I said, this was my main purpose for this order. This beautiful 100% wool, nice and soft. Looking forward to making this sweater for a very special person, and a very special person who I think deserves a nice sweater. So that is what I'm going to start doing after my current project. I'm going to work on this sweater. So that's it. Just a quick little yarn haul from Hobbii. I love Hobbii. I find sometimes their prices are a little bit too much for me to spend, but this time I got a great deal. Check in the description box below because I'll probably show you what I paid for these, and I think you'll agree that it was a very reasonable price for most of them except for this one. But you know, I think this is gonna be fun to use, and there's a lot of it. I should probably tell you, this is called Go Handmade Party Deluxe. It's a thread with sequins, and there's 250 meters of it, 50 grams, 100% polyester, and it says use the thread together with any other yarn you knit or crochet with. So it's definitely meant to embellish other yarn, and I don't know if you can see the sparkles, but it looks like really pretty silver sparkles and a really nice shade of pink. So that's it, and let me know what you think of my yarn choices, what you think of this color. Leave your comments below. It really helps. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do hit that notification bell as well to get all of my videos so you don't miss any. And give me a thumbs up. It really helps. And I'm over 1,000 subscribers, so I'm going to have a giveaway very soon. Haven't had a chance to do that yet. I have to collect all my goodies to give away, and stay tuned for that. But in the meantime, you'll need to be subscribed if you aren't. So please make sure you do that. Remember, thumbs up, share, like, whatever you can do to help me out is so appreciated. And just you being there with your interest is so appreciated. Just that alone, and I love you guys for it. Thank you very much. Have a great day. Happy crocheting, and I will see you soon. Bye for now.